Hi everyone, Luke from Hotwire here in our frequently asked questions series on the Hotwire range of heated towel rails. The question that everyone needs to know the answer to is, how do I connect my heated towel rail? Well, there's really two answers. With our ladder range of towel rails, you can plug it in or you can conceal the wiring. And the parts to do both those things are included with every rail. There's no extra bits that you need to provide or need to order. The ladder rail can also be connected from the left or the right hand side. So you can plug it in or conceal it. All those parts are included with every rail. With the low voltage range, that's always going to be concealed because the low voltage range are connected behind the wall and linked together. So the low voltage rails do have to be concealed and will always need to be installed by an electrician. So there you go, simple answers to how do I connect my Hotwire heated towel rail. As always, we can't wait to help you get Hotwired.